Circle only the wild animals and color them. Lion, fox, bear, camel, giraffe, elephant.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.